Animals in the farm might give you something very special, like these guys here, chickens. They, just like ducks, may give you eggs. You can get eggs from these animals. Let's try to see from these beautiful animals that can give out to you these beautiful eggs. Are they cool? Oh my God, you almost finished your lollipop! Oh my God! Whoa! Go tractors, go, go, go! Son, do you see that truck over there? Look, who is it? Do you know who is it? What's that? It's your favorite truck, trash truck. Damn, look at that. Oh my God, say hi to the person. Hi. Woo, yeah. These eggs here are very special. Farm animals can give you these type of eggs. Like you can see, they're real eggs. These are not toy eggs. We're gonna give them a quick rinse and a wash so that we can get them very clean. Again, farm animals can give you these beautiful things like these eggs. We're trying to add some water into this container to see if they can flow. So let's get some water into this container and see if the eggs can float. People say that some eggs float. I really want to see if they can float. Let me add another cup of water into these nice eggs. But here's a question though. Who really gives eggs? Cows, ducks, or chickens?